You like to cook with a lot of fats, maybe a lot of sugar, maybe deep frying your foods a little bit too much? Well, a lot of these things are great to eat, taste delicious, but have a lot of negative outcomes. We here at Andy Served It, we're here to teach you what you need to know about health and eating well. And there you have it, Andy served it. The purpose of Andy Served It, I would say, is making meals that are scrumptious, sensational meals with all sorts of ingredients, focusing on primarily quality, limited quantity, just delicious food, but also creating an atmosphere where people understand that consuming such foods, especially in high rates, is not particularly healthy for you. And I think that's the purpose of Andy Served It. Eggs, bacon, cheese, bananas, pineapple, rice, biryani, you name it, we got it. Andy's Kitchen.